Hey everyone, so I just purchased my Pro Series 65-inch Roku. I want to go ahead and go over some of the details about it, show you what my thoughts are really about the pictures that I'm seeing. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the TV, I'm going to flip it around. I'm just going to show you what the speakers look like and then some of the inputs too. Now this is on the side of the box that it came in. I just wanted you to be able to see the dimensions of it so you can make sure it is going to fit in the space that you're going to have it in. Now this is 4K QLED. The backlights, they're all mini LEDs, and you can go ahead and pause this review so you can go ahead and see some of these details of it. But it's got a lot of options. I really love the TV. I've got multiple Rokus in my house, but they're all the Select series. But since this is the Pro, it's even better than that. It just kind of blows them away. When you're looking at this video, it really doesn't do it justice. You have to actually see it in person, but it looks fantastic. It's almost like a 3D effect. I also love the remote. It does have voice command. It's backlit, so when it's in the dark room, all these are going to light up. Now, I typically like to get a sound bar for my TV, and I wasn't sure if I should get one just yet, but after reading through the reviews, I thought I better wait on this. And I can tell you, I do not need a sound bar. These speakers are the best speakers I've ever heard on a television. They are fantastic. Let's go ahead. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the speakers look like and the inputs. On each side of the television, we've got these large speakers here. I mean, the bass, treble, and mid-range is fantastic. Also, we've got several Velcro straps throughout here to go ahead and run your wires under through there, so that way they're just all nice and secure. Also, we've got holes here to go ahead and put this on a VESA mount. So if you want to mount this on the wall, you can definitely do that. And then we've also got our inputs here. We've got 4 HDMIs, a Type-C, USB, and then down here we've also got a LAN, an optical, and then you can go ahead and put your television antenna in there, typical rabbit ears. But I'm very happy with it. I definitely recommend it, and I love this television. Hope you found this review helpful.